Nearly 94% of drivers are throwing money out the window right now, and they do not even realize it. They are paying for completely unnecessary trips to the repair shop, simply because they have never heard of these automotive hacks. The ugly truth? Dealerships and local mechanics are absolutely thrilled that you do not know this. They will gladly smile, take your keys, and charge you anywhere from $100 to $500 just to diagnose a problem. Meanwhile, the actual fix often takes less than a minute and uses everyday household items that cost less than $5. They want to keep you in the dark to keep their pockets full. Today on Core Car, we are exposing the truth. We are going to show you 12 car hacks that sound completely fake, but actually work like magic. Some of these will save you hundreds of dollars a month, while others will extend the lifespan of your vehicle by years. Make sure you stick around for hack number 1. It is going to look absolutely crazy, but it will save you from a massive body shop repair using nothing but hot water. Let us start the countdown with hack number 12. Hack number 12, the hidden trunk hooks. Picture this. You just loaded your weekly groceries into the trunk. You take one sharp turn on the way home, and you hear everything spill across the cargo floor. It is incredibly frustrating, and it happens to millions of drivers every single week. But here's what the dealership forgot to show you during the test drive. Many modern cars sold today already come with built-in trunk hooks. They are usually tucked away flush against the side panels or hidden right under the cargo floor lip. They are folded down, making them almost invisible unless you know exactly where to look. People rush online to buy expensive aftermarket trunk organizers, spending anywhere from $15 to $40 to solve a problem the factory already fixed. Pull those hidden hooks out. They are designed specifically to secure grocery bags by the handles, keeping everything upright and locked in place. Go check your trunk right now. You might already have this feature. And speaking of things right in front of you, wait until you hear how much you are getting overcharged for our next hack. Hack number 11, the do-it-yourself cabin air filter. You take your car in for a standard oil change, and the service advisor walks out holding a dirty rectangular filter. They tell you your cabin air filter is severely clogged and needs immediate replacement. What they do not tell you is that replacing this filter is easier than changing a light bulb. The cabin air filter blocks dust, pollution, and pollen from blowing into your face. But dealerships routinely charge $30 to $100 for this service. You are paying massive labor fees for a job that takes less than 5 minutes and requires absolutely zero tools. Over a few years, falling for this trick will cost you hundreds of dollars. In almost every vehicle, this filter sits right behind the glove box. Just empty the glove box, squeeze the side tabs to lower it, pull out the old filter tray, and slide a new one in. You can buy the exact same filter online for $10 to $25. It is that simple. Now, let us move from the dashboard down to your feet for a trick that sounds completely insane. Hack number 10, petroleum jelly on your pedals. Think about how many times you press the gas, brake, and clutch. Over time, that constant friction, dirt, and heat cause the rubber pedal pads to dry out, harden, and develop tiny micro cracks. When that rubber loses its flexibility, your foot starts to slip, especially on rainy days. You also get a stiff, squeaky feeling under your shoe. Mechanics will gladly order you a brand new set of pedal covers and charge you for the parts and the installation time. Replacing these covers can easily run you $20 to $60. And if your foot slips off the brake in an emergency because the rubber is rock hard, the cost could be catastrophic. The secret is basic rubber conditioning. Take a tiny dab of petroleum jelly on a clean cloth and rub it directly into the pedals. Wipe off any excess immediately so it is not slippery. This restores the rubber's flexibility, eliminates squeaks, and brings back that grippy, factory-fresh feel for pennies. But if you think that is a clever use of household items, You will not believe what professional detailers are hiding about your tires. Hack number 9. Shoe polish for your tires. Take a look at your wheels right now. The sidewalls probably have that dry, faded, grayish look that makes the entire car seem completely worn out. Most people just spray on cheap tire shine that slings greasy residue all over their paint the second they drive away. Professional detailers know a better way. They use black shoe polish, the solid paste kind, not the liquid. It reacts with the rubber similarly to how it conditions leather. Apply it with a brush in short, circular motions, let it sit for a minute, and wipe off the excess. You get a clean, uniform, matte black finish that looks exactly like a brand new tire. Tire shine products at the auto parts store can easily rob you of $15 to $25, and they completely wash off after the very first rain. A small tin of shoe polish costs maybe $2 and lasts for months. Hack number 8. Baking soda to protect your paint. Bird droppings, tree sap, and road grime are not just cosmetic problems. They are highly acidic chemical attacks on your clear coat. Most drivers make the fatal mistake of wiping them off with a dry paper towel, which aggressively scratches the paint. Taking it to a shop for a basic paint correction job will easily cost you anywhere from $150 to $500. Instead, mix a little baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply it to the spot with a microfiber cloth using 0 pressure. Let it sit for 60 seconds. The baking soda acts as a mild neutralizing agent, stopping the acid from eating into your clear coat. Rinse it away, and your paint is saved for less than $2. Before we get into the next hacks, the ones that really make a difference in your wallet long term, do me a quick favor. If this video just saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that like button and subscribe to Core Car right now so we can keep bringing you these money-saving secrets. Done? Awesome. Let us keep moving. Hack number 7. The toothpaste headlight fix. Foggy yellow headlights are not just incredibly ugly. They are a massive safety hazard that significantly reduces your visibility at night. This happens because the factory polycarbonate surface breaks down from severe UV exposure over the years. Dealerships will tell you to buy entirely new headlight housings, or they will charge you up to $150 for a professional restoration service. You do not need their expensive kits. Grab regular white toothpaste from your bathroom, making sure it is the traditional paste and not a gel, because you need those mild abrasives. Rub it directly onto the headlight with a damp cloth in tight circles for about 2 minutes. You are literally polishing away the dead, oxidized outer layer of plastic. Rinse it off, and while it is still damp, apply a thin layer of regular car wax to seal it against future sun damage. You just restored your headlights for $0. Hack number 6. Cleaning the air conditioning intake. You turn on your car on a hot day, crank up the air conditioning, and you are immediately hit with a musty, foul smell. Most people just hang a cheap air freshener from the mirror and try to ignore it. But that smell is actually bacteria and mold growing deep inside your evaporator. Air fresheners only mask the problem. Dealerships will happily charge you anywhere from $50 to $150 for a professional system cleaning service. You do not need them. Start your car, set the air conditioning to maximum, and make sure it is pulling fresh air from the outside. Then, take a standard household disinfectant spray and spray it directly into the exterior air intake vents, usually located right at the base of the windshield on the passenger side. The system pulls the chemical inside, killing the mold directly at the source. Doing this twice a year completely eliminates the odor for about $5. Hack number 5. Unclogging the air conditioning drain. Imagine walking out to your car, opening the door, and finding a massive puddle of water soaking the passenger side floorboard. Panic instantly sets in. If you take this to a shop, shady mechanics will rub their hands together. They will claim you have a leaking heater core or a broken windshield seal, handing you a diagnostic and repair estimate for over $800. The truth is, in almost 90% of these cases, The problem is incredibly simple. Your air conditioning system creates condensation, which needs to drain out under the car. That tiny drain tube gets clogged with dirt or dead leaves, causing the water to back up straight into your cabin. Look under the vehicle near the passenger side firewall, find the rubber tube, and gently push a thin piece of wire inside to clear the blockage. The trapped water will pour out immediately. You just saved a fortune in less than 60 seconds.
Hack number 4. Peppermint oil against rodents.
Rats and mice absolutely love to build nests inside warm, protected engine bays. They also happen to love chewing on the soy-based wiring insulation used in most modern vehicles. A single rodent can destroy your main wiring harness overnight. We are talking about catastrophic electrical failure and a repair bill that easily reaches $2,000 to $3,000. Dealerships see this completely preventable damage every single day. Instead of paying for expensive, toxic pest control treatments, use an invisible force field. Rodents cannot stand the intense smell of pure peppermint essential oil. Take a handful of cotton balls, soak them heavily in the oil, and tuck them securely into the corners of your engine bay, keeping them far away from moving belts or extreme heat. Refresh them every couple of weeks. A $10 bottle of oil will aggressively protect your entire electrical system. Hack number 3. The lanolin rust shield. Rust never announces itself. It starts quietly in your wheel wells, across the undercarriage, and inside areas you cannot even see. By the time it becomes visible on the outside, the damage is already advanced and structural. If you go to a repair shop, they will try to sell you a thick, rubberized undercoating. Here is the technical secret they do not tell you. Those rubber coatings can actually trap trapped moisture against the metal, acting like a greenhouse that accelerates corrosion. Instead, use a lanolin spray. It is a natural waxy substance derived from sheep's wool. When you spray it onto metal, it actively displaces moisture, penetrates light surface rust, and forms a flexible barrier that actually breathes while repelling water. Safely lift your vehicle and spray all exposed frame rails, suspension parts, and brake lines. Professional rust proofing in the United States ranges from $150 to $600. A can of lanolin spray costs about $20 and covers an entire sedan. Speaking of expensive shop visits, our next hack fixes a broken car part with absolutely zero tools. Hack number 2. The power window reset. You press the button and your power window goes up unevenly, struggles on the way down, or completely loses its automatic one-touch function. Most drivers immediately assume the internal window motor or regulator has failed. If you take it to a mechanic, they will gladly charge you $50 just to look at it and quote you up to $300 for a replacement motor. But in many modern cars, the physical hardware is perfectly fine. The system relies on electronic calibration. If your battery was recently disconnected or the car experienced a slight voltage drop, the window system simply loses its memory reference points. The fix takes less than 30 seconds. Hold the window switch down until the glass is fully open and keep holding the button down for 3 extra seconds. Then, pull the switch up to fully close the window and keep holding it up for another 3 seconds. Release the switch and test it. The system recalibrates instantly and works like brand new. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. The ultimate money-saving secret that looks absolutely crazy but works flawlessly. Hack number 1. The hot water dent fix. Imagine walking out of a grocery store and finding out someone bumped your car, leaving a massive, ugly dent right in your bumper. Taking it to an auto body shop for paintless dent repair will easily cost you anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on the severity. But if the paint itself is not cracked or scratched, there is a completely free method. Modern car bumpers are made of thermoplastic. This material has shape memory, meaning it desperately wants to return to its original factory form when it gets heated. Boil a pot of hot water and pour it slowly and directly over the dented area to soften the plastic. While it is still extremely hot, take a clean household toilet plunger, press it firmly directly over the center of the dent to create a strong vacuum seal, and pull hard. The suction forcefully pops the flexible plastic right back into its original shape. Pour cold water over it immediately to lock the shape back into place. You just saved yourself a massive repair bill using water and a plunger in under 10 minutes. You now have the secrets to saving thousands of dollars over the lifespan of your vehicle. But do not fall into the trap of thinking your mechanic is finally your friend. They have even bigger, more expensive secrets they are hiding from you every single time you pull into their garage. In the next video from Core Car, I'm going to expose 13 common mechanic scams that everyone falls for. Click the video on your screen right now and keep your hard-earned money exactly where it belongs.